Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we are showing another dishes, which is one of our famous dish here in Mike Pizza, which is the linguine marinara. Simple. Most of the ingredients they come from Indonesia, except from the tomato sauce. But if you don't have tomato sauce, you can just prepare with the fresh tomato. That's no problem. Okay, let's start. First of all, we boil the water to cook the pasta, and now it's already boiling. See? And okay, linguine pasta. Put it inside. And a nice punch of rock salt in the center, and let it go. Okay, this one take to cook about 10 minutes, and then ready. But first you need to boil the pasta, the water, otherwise the pasta won't cook. Okay, when the pasta is going down, put back the cover and let it stay for a while. Let it cook. Perfect. On the other side, we're going to prepare, in the time the pasta is boiling there, we're going to prepare the sauce for the linguine. Start garlic, 3 garlic, squish it. Okay, ready here. Olive oil. A lot of extra virgin olive oil for cooking. Perfetto. Let me see how these things work. Okay, it's starting. Don't forget all the time to twist the pasta, otherwise it will stick. In the meanwhile, the oil is already hot. Or we do it, we put garlic inside, and then Bombay. I always take out the skin properly. There we go, with the one on it. Half Bombay. Just cut rough, don't worry. Don't need to be in small cube. There we go. Nice smell, isn't it? There we go. In the meanwhile, the Bombay is cooking. Chili. All right, it's going. First, crumb batik. Okay. Crab bambu. Udang. Crani chow, and then you take some of the water from the cooking pasta and there we go. After this, while it's cooking, we put some whole cherry tomato. There we go. Tomato cut half and big slice inside. Oops, one is gone. Parsley. There we go. Some basil, some, quite a lot, because the flavor of the basil, it will come later when you open the pan, and pepper, and let it go. Let it go for a while all the cran is cooking. The tomato is melting. Let's check it out, the pasta. How is the situation here? Okay, almost done. Just for a while. Everything is done and cooking for a few minutes until all the ingredients start to melting and assemble together. And tomato sauce. Ecco qua. Okay. Nice, nice. Now is the best things. You need to check. Need a bit of salt, but don't need to add salt. You just take the water from the pasta and add it inside. Okay? Let's check it out, what's going on. I use the other finger. Perfetto. The pasta is done perfectly. We go here. See? Ecco qua. We add the pasta straight from the water to the sauce. Perfetto. This is how I cook at home. Actually, it's how I cook here, because at home, I know all of you is curious to know what the chef has inside the chiller. Inside the chiller, we have nothing at home, because when we are going home, we don't want to cook enough. We want to sleep. Maybe some drinks, okay. Some cheese, some wine, we do have. Dry pasta stay inside the store, some tomato can. Yeah, we have something, not much. All right, very fast. When all this one is done, all you have to do, take the calamari. This is the secret. The calamari, don't put it at the beginning, you put at the end, because otherwise the calamari become too crust, too chewy. Okay? This is one of our secrets. Never cook the calamari together the pasta from the beginning. Always at the end. And now, with the tong. Oh, this pan is very good, never sticky, eh? Fantastic. Ecco qua. You don't need to jump like a chef, you just need to mix fantastically, because now we're gonna do something else. Ecco qua. Perfect. Now, all these things you put inside the pan, and we're going to bake. Ecco qua, look. Wow, fantastic. Oh. Okay, that is done. This is the secret. Yes, you say when you're using this, you use the leaf, but actually, if you find the basil with the flower, it's one of the best, because this one gives you a lot of flavor. Sorry, I need to close the gas. All right. Ecco qua, put the basil inside. Okay, usually, you can eat it like this if you don't have an oven at home. If you have an oven at home, you can cover this one with a pizza dough, which is already prepared here. Next time I will tell you the recipe, okay? To make it your home pizza dough to cover this. Ecco qua. It's not very difficult. Okay, you don't need to make a sourdough. It's just water, salt, a bit of yeast, and the game is done. Don't need much. Okay. All right. Don't forget to put a lot of olive oil inside. Additional a couple of chili again. A bit more flour, and here we go. Cover it nicely. And now let's go and bake it. Follow me. Go.
Vicenza sempurna dalam keanggunan.
Okay, now you use this pan to bake it inside the oven. This pan is very good to go inside the oven. You can bake it, you can cook it, just don't throw it away, okay? There we go.
Vicenza sempurna dalam keanggunan.
Okay, here we go. It's almost ready. And now, let's go and test it. Prego. Okay, after you put the pan on top of the plate, don't touch this one because it's quite hot. This plate is from Vicenza. You can bake inside with this, you can cook it inside, just don't throw it away, I repeat you. So what you have to do now is cutting the bread all around with the scissor. You can use it also the knife. Okay, and here we go. Perfetto. Okay. Ooh, she's still alive. Okay. So, ecco qua. This is a portion for two, eh? Also three can eat. In here we have only big portion. Perfetto, look at this, so beautiful. Let me get some seafood. Perfetto. Ecco qua. Okay, that's why my wife doesn't want me to cook at home. I'm very messy. Ecco qua. Perfetto. All you need to do, a pinch of pepper and olive oil. Buon appetito. We're gonna show another dishes we have it here in Mike Pizza. So the name of this dish is carbonara. You see the bubbling come out? This is what is giving flavor to the carbonara. This is a little secret not many people knows. Take the pasta and go in. The carbonara goes inside. Buon appetito! Awaiting all of you in Mike Pizza.
Villovers, terima kasih ya sudah selalu menonton Galeri Rasa Channel Masak Sempurna dengan Vicenza. Jangan lupa di subscribe kalau mau lihat video-videonya, masih banyak yang ada di sini. Tuh bisa dilihat ya.